Today we have a class of Administer Azure resources. The resources, what is the resources? Azure resources is like last class we learn about the resource manager, isn't it? In the resource manager, what is in the resource manager? Resource manager, we all the resources like services, like it may be virtual machine, it may be a storage device, or it may be any type of service, virtual network, anything if you want to build, you have to build inside the resource manager. So those resources is called the Azure resources. In normally we can say it is Azure services, the services that Azure supporting or giving you, like virtual machine. Yes.
Last class, I think you said to remind you, maybe end or is beginning of the class so that we can practice
Okay.
together.
End of the class we can practice,
Okay,
inshallah.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So we will learn about that resources, how we can generally create a resource, or there's some way of creating the resources. We will learn about these things. Today's topics will not be very big topics. It's a very short topics today. So first of all, we have to go about the how and where we can create an Azure resource like Azure virtual machines or Azure storage or Azure virtual network or Azure database or anything where you can create. Mm, First priority is the Azure portal. We know we have, after the signing in Azure cloud, we got a portal called Azure portal. In that Azure portal, we can have a lot of options and service. Most of the means lot of means all the service and options is there. So from there you can create any type of service and resources of Azure. This is called Azure portal. It is mobile app. You can there is a mobile app. By mobile app also you can open Azure portal. Access Cloud Shell. There is one is called Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell, it's like a do some command line. You have to do some command, you have to memorize some command, then you can create those things. So Azure Cloud Shell is that one. Interactive browser accessible. It will be open on the browser, and it will offers both Bash and PowerShell. Bash is using for Linux and PowerShell is using for what? Windows. So if you want to create something by command, Linux command, then you have to use Azure Cloud Shell. Or if you want to create or do something with the command of Windows, then you have to use PowerShell. Both are supported by Azure Cloud Shell. In the portal, there in that side, in the screen, in the top of the you know uh, screen, there is a icon, and that icon is called the Cloud Shell. Authenticate automatically. It you no need to suppose if you want to open Cloud Shell, then you don't need to any username, password, nothing. It will automatically open, provided on a per session and per user basis. It means now you are using, and this is when you close, your session will be closed. It means all the history of that you are using will be closed. There will be no saved users. I mean, saved command. Suppose you do some command in 1 hour. After the 1 hour, you close down the cloud shell. Suppose then again you open the cloud shell, you will not you will not see the commands again, because already they have deleted. Temporary times out after 20 minutes. Suppose you are working, but after 20 minutes you are not working, it is in idle, then it will be automatically timed out and it will be closed. And another one is Azure PowerShell and CLI. This one is used for Windows. Who are the using Windows? This is for only Windows. Command line program. It is a command line program, means any type of command you can put in here, but it will be Windows. Interactive and scripting moves. Do you know, as you are the student of computer science, I think you know about the script. So there are a lot of scripting language. For those scripting language, you can run on this PowerShell. Cross-platform, any platform, it can be used. Good for repeatable deployment. Suppose if there is there is any deployment, like if suppose Azure virtual machine, you want to create Azure virtual same virtual machine, same configuration every day or every 1 month or every per week, then you can use it. Familiar coding experience. If you have coding experience, then it is very helpful for you. Suppose who are the programmer, they always like to work with Azure PowerShell because they have a code and they have a defined code. They make a code and they just put the code on the Azure PowerShell and automatically it is executed. So any question from this slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So no, the question is okay. So when you are building this PowerShell that you are saying, okay, if you like, how we can you can be temporary in this situation.
Temporary means?
Okay, I'm saying that okay because you are saying the temporary. When you build
Temporary
any
is Cloud Shell. This is Cloud Shell and this is PowerShell. Two are different. Cloud Shell is temporary. Times out after 20 minutes. 20 minutes after it will time out. But PowerShell or CLI, it will be not. Suppose in Windows, sometime we use CLI, isn't it? Command line. Black screen. That one is the same. PowerShell and command line. Did you see in the Windows?
okay, the interface that you are saying. Okay, the browser
No,
like a
no, no, no.
command,
There is a
command, yeah,
command line.
yeah,
Not
command, like
browser. Not
command
browser.
prompt,
Yes,
command
command.
prompts, and yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
command
yeah.
line. Yes, there, command prompt.
Okay,
This one is command prompt.
if you open it, it will be 20 minutes. It will disappear.
No, no, no. This one, no, 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 no. This one is Cloud Shell, not PowerShell. This one
Okay,
is no problem.
okay.
There is no timeout.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay. You said that this power cell is run by the administrator. So there is
This
no other
PowerShell
user
suppose,
who can run this, who can run these
adva
codes.
I cannot understand. Can you tell me again?
I mean it like the codes in the power cell. Can it be run
Yes,
by other person, or only the administrator have the ability to do it?
yes. Suppose you have the administrative username or administrative, administrative authority, then you can run the scripting codes in Azure PowerShell. Then it will execute.
Okay, what is the function of the script code?
Script code is, there is a lot of script code is there in like, like YML script code, JSON script code. These are the scripting code. It means it's a small code that can execute a defined task. Suppose if you want to do some task, you have to make a code. You have to learn actually. If you want to scripting, then you have to learn about, suppose in Google, you can search about the scripting language, then you can find JSON, YML, like Bicep. These are the scripting language. So first of all, you have to learn those scripting language, then you can use this PowerShell and CLI, because this is used for, for scripting language. Who are doing scripting language, that one.
Okay, sir. Like
Yes.
it's mean like if you create any resource, but you want to change its behavior, so that you have to script it.
No, no, no,
Like,
no, no, no. Suppose if you want to create this resource, then also you can create this one. Behavior is different thing. Suppose if we want to create any resources, then you have to know about the scripting, how to create in a scripting language. Then you can script the code and put it in the PowerShell. Then PowerShell will run at that time. Azure portal will automatically create one resource for you.
okay, okay. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, so that you can can generate by automatically for you.
Yes, but normally I'm showing you normally how we can do these things. I will show you the easy way there is.
Okay.
there is a template called ARM template, resource management template. This is called. If whenever you create any resources, then there will be a template. Automatically, it will be generated. If you want, you can download it in your computer and you can use it again and again. This one is called ARM template. What it use, improve consistency and promote reuse. Suppose if you, I'm telling you, suppose if you want to reuse, suppose one in your university, they are using cloud, suppose, and there are a lot of students there. So for computer science students, the administrator tell or your sir or your who are the coordinator, they told you that every you will create virtual machines for every students, but the requirements is this: memory will be like this, then CPU is will be like this. So they are giving you the points about the requirements, how the hardware's requirements will be, and you create 10, because now 10 students enroll, but after 5 days another 5 student enrolls, then you have to create another 5. So if you have a ARM template, then you don't need to go in the manual process like next, next, next. No need. You just upload the template and you just run automatically. That machine will be created. And suppose another thing, after that 1 year or 6 months later, again students came and they ask you to, uh, they ask you to create another virtual machines or 2 or 3 virtual machines. It may be possible that you forgot or you lost the requirements, what actually need to create. So if you have template in your hand, then you can just deploy this one and it's automatically created. So it's easy to repeat it one work again and again. Reuse, you can reuse this one again and again. So that's why we use ARM template. When we will go for the lab, then it will be more clear. Reduce manual, error prone and repetitive task. What I'm saying, in manually, you don't need to create that time. There will be no error because you have already the template you have. So you just deploy the template and nothing else. Repetitive task, same task you are doing every day or every sometimes later. Expects complex deployments. Any type of deployments you can put there. If it is complex, no problem. You can do it. Express requirements through the code. Requirements will be in the code. There will be a code. If you want to change, then you can change the code. Requirements will be changed. Provides validated task. A validation task it will be whenever you want to deploy, that time automatically system will validate that all data will be correct or not. If it is correct, then it will permit to install. Otherwise, they will give you message that there is a problem with this option, this part. Modular and can be linked. There can be number of module, so you can link with one another. Simplifies orchestration. It means one by one. Suppose if you want to create a virtual machines, first of all they will create the storage, then they suppose storage means hard disk, then they will create the virtual network, network interface card and memory. Like this, there is a serial one by one. They use this one. They, they simplifies orchestration. It means they follow this step by step. They will not break the step by step. They will always follow the step by steps. So these ARM templates we will know. These ARM templates is made by the JSON template. It is made by the JSON template. It is work with the JSON template. It is a scripting language. This JSON is called a scripting language. Like here, all resource written in JSON, collection of key value pair. It is the key parameter is the key, value will be there, like variable. It is a variable and that value will be there. No, this is like that. Each key is a string. Every key will be string and value can be, you know, value can be string, value can be, date time, value can be integer, anything. Each value can be thus written here: string, number, boolean expression, list of values and object. So these values can be string, can be number, can be Boolean. Boolean means true or false. List of values meant like array, an object, or maybe a object. JSON template is like this. Suppose this one is a parameters. Parameters what? Admin username. Username type is string. Metadata, it means description, username of the for the VM. Then we need to add a password. Suppose this one is admin password. Type secure string. Secure string means this string will be secure. It will not show in the screen. Metadata, description, password for the VM. It is just a sample. It is not actually correct. If you want to run this one, this will not run work. It is just a simple. Bicep file is another file. This one is like JSON, but this one is made only for Azure. In the bicep file, you cannot work in other places. But JSON, you can, if you learn JSON, then you can work JSON in different environment. But bicep file is only for Azure. If you want to do something in Azure, then you will use bicep file. These things, bicep files and JSON, actually you need when you work with DevOps. There is a part of training called Azure DevOps. That training, that session, you will learn more about these two things, because these two things is used for development and programming. So now as an administrator, how we can do these things? So I'm going for the lab. It will be easy for you to describe about how we can use these things. This resource manager by the template. Can you see my screen, my portal, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose I want to create a storage account. This is called a storage account. Storage account means, suppose if you want to make a storage, if you want to do some storage, like any kind of files or any kind of data you want to put, then first of all you must be create a storage account. So I am making one storage account. This is there will be a class of this storage account, but now I am showing why, for the just to show you how the template is working, how you can use these templates. So create, first of all we need to create a storage account. So it's creating. The resource group is okay. The name, suppose example storage. We just create one storage account called example storage. It will be region will be East US. It is standard. You can go premium. Oh, look, there is example storage already taken. So we cannot use this one. So we have to change AZ03 batch storage, STRG. So this one is okay, maybe. So you also these are the different options. We will learn about those, all the options. What is these options later when we will have a class with the storage account. I'm just doing this one as I want to show you the template, how template work. Networking, you just put it next now. Now you can find, look, there is a download a template for automation. Did you see this one?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes, this is the template. Now create a storage account. It means it is ready to create, all validation is passed. Now you don't want to create now. Suppose you just download this template. To download. It is download a template to .zip. Okay. Now we will go home. Then Download. Okay. Now we want to, what we want to do? We want to deploy this one. Okay. How we to deploy? Do like let's deploy custom templates. Click here. Again, I'm showing you will write here deploy custom templates. It's coming. The option is called deploy custom templates. Now you will create here, build your own template in the editor. Then we will add resource because we have resources. We will create load file. Already we have resources, so no need to add resources. Load file. Then we have a load in the file, downloads, that folder, and there is a parameter. These are the parameter of, can you see the parameter? These are the parameter that the file template file has. What is the parameter? Look, value, location. Location we put East US. It is East US written. Storage account name. This is the storage account name came. If you want to change, you can suppose 1. It will change. No, suppose first one you will create like this. Then we will want 10. Like all the options is here. So if you want to change the options here later, you can change here. But template already you have in your hand. Now load file. Now templates. Save. Edit parameter. Load file. Parameter. Save. All the parameter will be here. Look, here also you can change, no problem. In the code also you can change, or you can change here also, no problem, anytime. Then you just create, review, and create. There's a missing. What is the issue? Look, resource group is missing. So we will, resource group is AZ batch 3. Now review and create.
Visible.
We are creating a storage account by a template. Create.
So, but nothing is visible.
It is creating, just wait some time. Look, submitting deployment, it means it created. You can see here the steps of creating. There are some steps they will follow to deploy that. Okay, now go to resource group. So in the resource group, you can find, suppose home, storage account. There will be storage account automatically created. Refresh. Look, this storage account automatically created and came here. Suppose again I want to create same type of storage account. It means same work repeatedly I am doing. So there is a two way. One is again we will do like create. If you want to do like this way, then there is a possible of chance that we can change by fault. Suppose you can change AZB, or you can change another resource group, or any options we can by forgot or by chance of error we can change. But actually we need same things. Sometimes there is a requirement that same storage account or same service to create repeatedly. It is depends on the company's requirements. So that time we need this customs deploy. Now we have the template. Now again we will go for a deploy custom. Now again build your own template in the editor, then load file, then template.json, that the file we have already download. Now template is downloaded, but there is no no value. So we will put value. How we will put value? So again load file, and there will be a come of parameter. It means the value of that templates. So open. Now all the parameters came. First of all, we have to load the template file. Then again, we have to load the parameter file. Now all the parameter and templates file came, and now save. This is not valid template. Click on. So why it is not valid template? Again, load file. Now came template. Two times I just click. Now what the thing is, edit parameter, load file, parameter, then save. Then there will be a problem. What is the problem? Can you tell anyone? It will not work. Why? Because already we create one storage account in this name. So we have to change the name. Just change the name. One. Now it will be okay. Now it will be okay. But others are same because we have that requirements that we have to create this same storage type of account in the same options again and again. So now I will forgo review and create. Now create. Again, another storage account will be created in the same options. It means same configurations. Suppose if you told me after 6 months that, sir, we need that storage account again. But if I cannot remember those things, it is for me, it is difficult to create same things after 1 year. But if you have a template in your PC or in your store, then you just deploy that template even 1 year or 2 years after, then it is automatically deployed same type of service or same type of resources after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. That doesn't problem because you have the template. So now again storage account, you will see there is another template will come. Look, there is the template is came and it is in the list. So this is the use of the templates. This is called Azure Resource Management Template. So this is the ARM, and shortly it is called ARM template. For Azure resource, if you want to create the resource, there is options is like this way that you can create from here. Lot of resources is here, most of the and all the resources there is here. every resources you can find here. This is the one thing. And if there is an option that there is a repetitively created, you want to create some resources repeatedly, same resources, same configuration, then it will be better to use a template and use that template again and again whenever you need. So any question about today's class? This is for today's class. As I told you first that this is today's class will be a very short class. It is a very small class and small topics. So for today's class, any questions?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam.
Yes, actually, this class is very important. So I need you repeat the process again to, I don't know if possible.
Yes, of course possible. Look, how to get template, isn't it? This one is, isn't it?
Can you share
How
the
to get
screen?
template? I didn't share the screen. It is shared.
I'm not seeing here. I don't know.
Now share. Now you can see. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Now
I
can you
cannot.
see?
No, no.
Yes.
Me, I cannot see.
I'm
I
not
don't know.
seeing anything, sir.
Yes, even me.
I shared the screen actually. Just wait. Maybe after some time it came. Now it came.
Not yet.
No, sir.
But I shared. Okay, again I'm sharing. Share Windows. No.
Not yet, not yet. We don't see it.
Just black. Yeah. Yes. 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 Now we can see.
Okay.
I can see. I can see. Yes.
You okay? You know how to create the custom template, isn't it? ARM template. Do you know? I think you know. Suppose every resources, if you want to create, that time you will find the ARM template. How? Suppose this one storage account. Suppose if I want to create an storage account, normally manually how can I create? I just create, click here, create, then put here the resource manager, then other options came. Suppose name is it batch 03, suppose strg004. Suppose this is the name of the resource storage account. Then the region where I will put this storage account. Then this is the performance. And these are the options actually. So I'm going networking data tags review. Then it will review all the information that I gave you. Is it okay or not? If it is okay, then there will be download now. Now it's a find a downloaded template for automation, isn't it? Did you find this one?
Yes. Yes.
Did you see this? Now you just click here. Now download. There is option download. Click download, and it will be downloaded in your PC. Now your template is ready. Now you want to deploy. Then go these options. Deploy a custom template. Write down here DEPLOY. Deploy. Deploy a custom template will come. Click. Then come. Then you will go for build your own template. Click here. Now load file. Okay. Click here. What you will be load file? You will be browse with your computer where you will put that files. In that file there will be two files. One is parameter.json file, one is template.json file. You will open template.json. Just click and open, then this file will come here. Template.json file will come here. Now click save. template is came here. Template came means all the options here came here, but there is no value because this template is blank because we don't put any value here. Now we have to put the value here. How? Edit parameter. Click here. Now again load file, and now you will open the parameter. First of all, we open template. Now open parameter. Open. Now look, all the parameter came here. Okay. Now save. Dash 3 resource. And now there is a problem. What the problem? Already the resource is name is the already taken. So we will change the name 004.
Sir,
Yes,
I want to ask a question.
because same resource name you cannot create repeatedly. There will be change. Only the change is the resource storage account name will be changed.
Sir, sir,
Yes, yes.
when we load the file, which one
Yes.
we take first? Template
You will
or
take
parameter?
first of all template, then parameter.
Okay.
You will template and save, then all the values will be blank here. These options will come, but values will be blank. So you have to put this value here. Then edit parameter, then you will load the parameter, then save, then all the parameters will come here. Then you just change the account name because same account name you cannot create. And just now you can please review and create.
But I found I get some mistakes. He said this is not a valid template. Click here to
Then
learn more about.
okay, then click load file again. Sometime double click, make it. Load template again and again give parameter.
Some error. Sir, some error. I got some error.
Okay, after the this process, then you can show me what is the use.
Okay, sir.
Now look, template will come. So if I create storage account, another template will come very soon. When it is done, it will come. It's taking some time. Just wait for some time. It will be created soon. Now create. Look, came AZ03 batch ST004. So this is the way how you can create any service with the template. So now you can show me your screen so I can solve your one. Share your screen, please.
Just one. I think you see. This is my error.
Okay.
This is my error. When I upload this,
Okay.
I upload the
Load file, load file, load file,
first file.
load file. Now click template.json. Template.json. Yes, click.
I already uploaded.
Okay, okay. Do. I'm just telling what I'm telling. Just do. Open.
Open for save.
Okay, now save.
Here.
Okay. Now go up. Edit parameters. No, edit parameter. Oh, edit parameters, not this one.
Okay.
Now save again. Save. Now
Edit.
go edit. Now down.
Oh, maybe I
Now down. Now edit parameters.
edit for okay. I was thinking
Okay. Now load file. Now
yeah,
parameters.
yeah. I made a mistake. I say I click edit template. instead of
Okay,
edit.
now now resource group, change the resource group or put the resource group. Because resource group. Look, yes, resource group is blank.
Okay.
Okay.
I have to
Put,
create anyone.
no. Put any resource group here. No problem. Azure training. Suppose that one. Yes. Now just review and create.
Okay. Review.
Review and create. Just wait. It will create.
Okay, sir.
Now you understand. Create.
Yeah,
It's very easy.
it's coming.
So by this way, we can create template for every resources, and again and repeatedly, if you want to create same resources again and again, we can use this type of template.
Okay. So this one, right?
Okay.
Operation
Look, it
design.
is. So your homework is to create this type of storage account in the home and show me in the next class. Can you?
So, but my household portal is not working. The last time I told you about it.
I told you, but I told you that you just remember me. You didn't message me. I forgot. Please message me tomorrow morning. Okay, I will check and
Tomorrow
I
morning.
will show you the.
Tomorrow morning.
I will show
Okay.
how to make.
Okay, inshallah.
I will give you the process how you can do that one. Okay,
Okay, inshallah.
So can you remind
inshallah.
me that the
Yes,
assignment? Just create a
go
storage.
storage account. Go storage
Create
account.
storage account.
Create storage.
Then.
You create a storage account, isn't it? So you have
Mm-hmm.
to find out in the storage account whether it is created or not.
Only create a storage account.
Yes, only we just create a storage account, isn't it? By this template.
Yeah.
So if you check that a template is ready or not, you have to or your resource is ready or not, then you have to go for this. No, not here. In the top is storage account.
Sir,
Storage account. Yes. Storage account. There is a. It's itself a. Yeah, look. Your account is ready, isn't it?
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
can I open share my screen to do it? Or
Okay. No problem. Share. You just close your share. Stop your now you share.
Ah,
Now do. I'm watching. Find out the template first.
hello, sir.
Yes. I'm watching.
Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Just
Okay,
go and.
so okay, here this is student like Azure student. I supposed to skip that, so I will come to the storage name. I think.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Account. Count one. This standard. This I supposed to skip all this.
No, all this is skip. First of all, skip this one.
Okay, just name it and the go ahead. Region
Yes, yes.
and okay,
No need.
okay. All the I supposed to skip all this in advance.
Yes.
There is error in basic.
Okay, hero is the what? Select group or what?
Resource group. I'm told last class what I told that if you want to create any resources, then you must have a resource group. So you have to create one resource group now. Without resource group, how you cannot create anything.
Oh,
So first of all, you have to create resource group.
okay, resource group.
But you can create right now. Click there. No.
Okay, I supposed to go ahead. I think. Okay,
No,
but I
No.
have already resource. Wait, I go back. I have resource
No,
already.
If you have resource group,
if
then
you
it
have
will be.
it will be here.
If you have, then it will automatically
Create
come
now.
here. You
Create
don't have.
new. Yeah, click there.
Yes. Just write down the name, any name.
Okay. I supposed to skip all this. I
Yes,
come
yes.
to review. In the review or what, sir?
Just wait. It will come.
Okay. Oh, you're right. So here I supposed to
Now,
download.
yes, download this one. Now download. Click download.
Okay.
Download.
Yes. Wait. I just choose the file. Download.
Now go deploy custom accounts. Custom.
Yeah.
Write down where. No,
Yeah. Go to home or what?
anywhere. Go home.
Okay.
Search deploy. Search
Okay.
deploy custom. Deploy custom
question
templates.
here.
Yes, here.
Okay. Okay.
Now
And
that one. Build
select.
your build
Oh,
your own
yeah.
template.
Okay. Okay. Build your own template. Yes.
Now load file.
So I load file. So,
Yes. So extract the zip file. In the zip file, there are two files. One is parameter and one is, yes. Where is the zip file? Extract that one.
yes. Yes. This one.
Unzip. Yes, unzip this one. No, this will not
No,
work.
yeah,
First of all, you have to unzip.
yes. Wait.
Unzip.
Now I supposed to close this.
No.
This.
Nothing. You just unzip. First, you unzip. No need. You unzip. Normally, you unzip that file. No,
I suppose.
forget this one. You just unzip.
Okay.
Can you unzip? You just unzip. This one
Deploy.
later we will check
Okay.
again. User unzip.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit.
You just unzip. I'm telling normally users unzip. Yes, unzip that one.
No, okay. In this my laptop, I supposed to go to file first. If I come here,
Yes,
it will. Yeah, I supposed to go
But
file. Wait.
that's why I'm telling that you just unzip.
Yeah.
First of all,
Yes.
unzip.
Unzip it is here now.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I go back. Shit.
Where is your portal?
It's here.
Now load file.
Yes, template. Okay,
Template.
suppose to template. Yes.
Template. First one template.
Yes.
Okay, now save.
Save.
Now do edit parameters.
Edit parameters. Yes.
Now load file. Load file.
Yes. Yes. Parameters. Now.
Yes, now parameter. Yes, now parameter. Open.
Now I can save.
Save. Save.
Yes, I save it.
Now
Yeah.
all the came here. So change the resource. Put the resource here. Resource name. Resource manager.
Resource manager.
There's a blank. Resource manager. Resource group.
Sorry.
Resource group. There's a blank. You can
Oh,
use
okay.
anything. Yes.
So I will use the same or change.
Now
I will.
Yes, same.
It's the same. Yes. I now create review.
Now
Review.
yes.
Create.
Yes.
Oh. Now create. Now I suppose to refresh it.
No, not now. Let's create it. It takes some time.
Okay.
You have to give time to create.
Now I can go to resource now. I think.
Now go storage account. Not here. Go to the storage account. Whether you check that the storage account came or not. Yes, click here. Now refresh.
Yes. It's here.
It came. Yes, this is the way.
Oh, so this resource account now is the how to call it, is way you can create like a many users if you are creating the
Yes.
user.
Yes.
Okay. Dairam, you can try also.